Expedia Honest Review. My real experience using Expedia for flight and hotel booking. Booking flights and hotels online can be overwhelming, but Expedia promises a one-stop solution. I tested it thoroughly and here's my honest experience. Most people think Expedia is just another travel aggregator. The surprising truth is its ecosystem offers competitive pricing, package deals, loyalty rewards, and reliable customer service, making planning a trip simpler. Searching for flights and hotels is easy. Enter your destination, dates, and preferences, and Expedia provides options with filters for price, amenities, and reviews. I booked a flight and hotel package, which saved me around 12% compared to booking separately. Platform also includes Expedia Rewards, allowing points accumulation for future bookings. I earned enough points from a single trip to apply a discount on my next hotel stay, which adds real value for frequent travelers. Customer service is responsive. I had a minor itinerary change, and Expedia's support resolved it quickly via chat. Mobile app is convenient, showing real-time flight updates, hotel details, and reservation management. The main drawback is occasional hidden fees. Some hotel taxes and resort fees aren't immediately visible, so double-check before final payment. Additionally, cancellation policies vary, so it's important to review terms. In conclusion, Expedia is a reliable platform for booking flights and hotels efficiently, with competitive pricing and rewards for loyal users. While you need to watch out for hidden fees, overall, it's a convenient and trustworthy travel tool.